Hello students, here we have a question from the topic continuity, that is the points of discontinuity of the function f of x is equal to sin x under square brackets where x is given from 0 to 3 pi by 2, where this square brackets is representing greatest integer function or what. Options are given differently, so we have to find out points of discontinuity of this function sin x under square brackets. Okay, let's solve this. So to solve this problem, we have a trick, students. The trick is, we are having a small trick for this. That is, if any expression is given under square brackets, that is greatest integer function, becomes discontinuous. Okay, this becomes discontinuous. This becomes discontinuous at the points. This becomes discontinuous at the points where this inside expression is integer. Okay, so this is a trick, students, and we have to use. In this case, what is the inside expression we have? In this case, we have inside expression is sin x. Okay, let me write sin x here. Inside expression is sin x. It has to become integer now. So for what values of x sin x becomes integer, there this complete greatest integer function sin x becomes discontinuous. Now here x values are given from open bracket 0 to 3 pi by 2. These are the values of x given already in the problem. You can see that. Okay, so what I have to do now is I have to draw the sin x function in between 0 to 3 pi by 2. I have to draw the graph of this, because I could find easily where it is becoming integer. Let me try. 0 is not included and 3 pi by 2 not included. Okay, so this is what the graph of sin function. It is pi by 2 and this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2. So at 3 pi by 2 we have to take a hollow because it is not able to reaching 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 is not considered, but 0 is also not considered. These two are considered here. And you see, this is 1, this is 0. So now you can see from the graph, sin x, integer means which is plus 1. At what value of x it is happening? At x is equal to pi by 2 it is happening. Sin x is becoming integer at x equal to pi by 2. It is a valid point. Not only this, sin x is becoming 0 at x is equal to pi. Don't consider 0 here because it is not included as x. So now I can take at x is equal to pi it is happening. This is also valid point because it comes under 0 to 3 pi by 2. Don't take 3 pi by 2 because it is not included. Now my answer is at x equal to pi by 2 and at x equal to pi, sin x is becoming integer. Okay, one is plus 1, another is 0. So these are the points of discontinuity. So now my answer is what? Option D is the right answer. Thank you.